morning, everyone. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't think it's that late yet.
6:53.
6:53. We're out here early morning. We're going to grab some breakfast. Then we're going to get on the road kind of early today. We're going to take advantage of this nice weather we have. It might get a little raindrops throughout the day. We'll see. But we're going to get at it right now.
You see it's 10 o'clock in the morning and there are a ton of bikes out already. Left that little shop there. They did have a rain gear. The only thing is it was an orange and black one. I'm just not real thrilled about the orange and black, to be honest with you. I was looking for an all black one, maybe with some black with some white lines through it that reflected, but I understand the orange. I definitely get it. It's just too you know construction cone looking to me. I'd rather pass on that. So options are go back wet, which is the least favorable option. The next option would be to come back out there and get the orange one. This is the part that we talked about going to Prospect Mountain. We just turned onto the road leading up to the top of this hill. It looks like the gates are now open. And you saw last night when we came, they were closed. Gates are now open, so let's get on the top of this hill and see what we can see.
If there is something we need, it's a leap of faith. Step away from the comfort zone and be a little brave. So take a look around you. How far can you see? How far do you think you can run? Standing on your knees. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. It can be a bit frightening, something you don't know. You need a little enlightening, it'll make you grow. It's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, it's a beautiful world out there. Just don't pass on the dare. If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there. Oh, if you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
back down, almost back to the bikes. We are going to leave here and go to the expo next.
Get a wristband too?
No, if you go up and you're around the bikes, they're going to ask you to sign a waiver, and they'll give you a wristband. Just show them, though, your stamp. It doesn't cost you anything extra.
It's just,
But that's just a
everything
waiver.
around here, like, so we have admittance to get like
To
to
everything.
the to everything. Okay.
To everything, but
Got
when you get
shows
up
and all.
there and you go to the bikes, they're going to want you to sign a waiver, and they'll give you a wristband.
Oh, you mean to ride them?
Even to look at it, to be where the bikes are because of the liability. They've already had people dropping bikes
Because
on
we don't know how to be
somebody's
around motorcycles.
Have a shirt that's stir your shirt before you get there. This is the exit. We're finishing up the walk through the expo. Ton of bikes. Ton of bikes. can officially say that we have completed Lake George.